Okay, hello students, welcome. Today we are going to have a look at the past continuous. Let's see how it goes. First, here we have a dialogue that we are going to use as an example to start. Here we are. What were you doing? I was drawing an airplane. Was your brother also drawing? He wasn't drawing. He was doing his homework. Were you also painting the airplane? No, I wasn't. So, how do we form these verbs? How do we construct these tenses, these sentences? So, for affirmative sentences, we have two possibilities. For singular pronouns and subjects, we use was. I, he, she, was, and then we add a verb with ing. Doing, playing, singing. He was singing. She was playing. And for plural pronouns or nouns or any plural subjects, we add were. You were crying. You were working. They were jumping. Here we have an example. She was playing football. Okay, so now, if we want to make a negative sentence, if we want to say no, then we add not to the was and to the weren't. In this way, contracted with the apostrophe. So it will be she wasn't playing, I wasn't doing my homework, whatever, you weren't playing, they weren't drawing. Here we have an example. He wasn't sitting in the sofa. And now, how do we form questions? As you probably know already, we have to start with the auxiliary verb. In this case, was or were. Were you writing, for example? So where was he writing? Or were you working? Were they jumping? Or whatever thing you can think of. Were they running in the park? All right. And just now to finish, remember that when we use short answers, we just use the auxiliary. So it will be yes, I was. Yes, she was. Or yes, they were. Yes, you were. Or no, he wasn't. No, it wasn't. No, we weren't. No, they weren't, etc. Let's continue. And here we have the first question for your homework. You can pause the video and please tell me, when do we use were? Okay, if you have already answered this question, we can continue. So, let's review how to add ing to verbs. Remember, if a verb ends in E, we delete the E, and we just add the ing. From dance, dancing. If the verb in a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant, like sit, for example, we have consonant, vowel, consonant, we double up the consonant. The last consonant, the T in this case, is doubled. All right? And finally, when do we use the past continuous? Okay? So, we use it for actions in progress in the past. What does in progress mean? In progress what says or means or want to say that there are actions that were not finished in that moment. They were a continuous action, an action that had started, but in that point, at that moment in the past, it wasn't finished. And we often use time expressions. We often mention the time. Here we have some examples. I was watching TV last night. Or, were you walking to school at 8:15? Yes, I was. Or, no, I wasn't. Okay? And finally, here we have the last two questions for your homework. You can pause the video again. When do we double a consonant to add ing? Please. Question 3. What's the difference between the use of the past simple and the past continuous? You can pause the video if you need to, and then if you have answered the questions, that's all. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.